Hi angels, welcome back to another DIY. So in this video we are going to be tie-dyeing this jumpsuit set that I got from Amazon. It was probably like $10, not too sure, but it's a little too tight and obviously it's see-through, but other than that it's really comfortable. I don't know. So what I'm going to do for the hoodie is I have this fork. All I'm going to do is put it in the middle and just twirl it all the way around and just bring everything in together like in a little circle while it's twirling. And with my elastics, I'm just going to wrap everything up nice and tight. By the way, the tie-dye kit that I think I got it from Amazon. It was the extra large. So, just in case. The goal is to wrap it up as tight as you possibly can so that the tie-dye can seep through it and it will turn out good. So I'm going to be adding in a lot of elastic because I want to make sure that the sleeves and the hoodie up top all is together. So that's what I'm doing. Next thing is with the pants, all I'm going to do is crumble them up together. So take a small piece and just crumble it all the way up to the top. And then you're going to use your elastic to just wrap up that side nice and tight, just like what you did before. And you're going to do the exact same thing to the other side. And then just bring everything together and add an elastic right in the middle so that everything can be as one. So just crumble it up. Make sure that for the pants, you wrap them up nice and tight. Otherwise, as soon as you lift it up, everything's just going to start crumbling down. So be very careful. And that's all the bottom and the top looks. And now it's time to get our tie-dyes. With our tie-dyes, what I'm going to do is add some water in it. Fill it all the way up. And I'm also going to have to wet my my sweatsuit. So just put in some water, squeeze out the water before you add the tie-dye. So that's what I did right there. And now I'm just squeezing in the tie-dye. Make sure that when you're doing this, you have on gloves, otherwise your hands going to be stained for weeks. When I'm going to do the hoodie, that's when I'm going to put on the gloves. I couldn't find the gloves, so that's why I'm not wearing any right here. And a trick that I found out is when you're doing this, it's best that when you have the gloves and you're adding in the tie-dye to just squeeze everything together, squeeze the fabric together. I'm going to show you guys in the second clip how to do that so that you can make sure that the tie-dye goes all the way through and you're good to go. So I'm going to be doing a lot of colors. So like every single color that I had. And that's how the bottom look. Now it's time for the hoodie. Just like what I'm doing right there, squeezing it into the fabric so that you can make sure that it's getting in there nice and good. Ooh, almost forgot. Before you even start anything, lay down a piece of paper, like a trash bag, inside of your tub. Otherwise, you will stain your tub. So be very careful. Now I'm going to be doing the front and the back. Make sure the colors line up. Whatever color you have the front, line up with the back as well. So I'm just going, rolling everything over. And my camera is falling. So after I dyed everything, I put them in some trash bags, left it overnight for it to dry completely. And then after that, I just removed the elastics, and then since it's completely dry, it's no longer wet, I just threw it in the washer and I was good to go. So this is how the sweatsuit looks. Eh, I'm okay with it. The orange did not show up as much as I wanted. When I threw it in the wash, the color started to fade a little bit. But other than that, it's okay. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.